What's going on, guys? Back for another video here today. And today we got ourselves the greatest Hail Marys in history. And you're probably asking, okay, what's the greatest? Hail Marys? Well, I had to rock the Hail Mary King himself, today. Um, so probably every Aaron Rodgers Hail Mary is probably gonna be in here. Okay, no. I know the Arizona's got to be in here. I'm fine if Detroit's not in here, but like it was a game winner, so you can already see the Hawkins one there. What else? The Giants one got to be in there. I'm gonna be biased fuck and just say they should all be in there, but the main ones, the ones that were in like bigger moments. But yeah, let's see what happens. See some great Hail Marys. There might be some in here that I don't know. Okay, my dumbass don't even have the shit plugged in. Okay, here's the first one. This is the one that just happened a week ago. I remember seeing that shit. I was like, oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. He's still not the best receiver in the league, Oh yeah, here we go. Hey, Rod. I remember watching this game. This was on his birthday, too. That's why it was more special. Richard Rodgers, get it, boy. They were actually, he was going to throw that to Devontae, because Devontae jumped out first, but everybody jumped in front of him. Okay, what the hell is this? Old shit, I don't think I've seen this one. Who is that? Oh, I think I've seen that, yeah. I still don't know who that quarterback is. Chicago has a Hail Mary catch? I never knew that. Oh, and a Lion. Does the whole NFC North got a fucking highlight play? Is that for the win? Well, it has to be. No one's throwing up that shit for nothing. I'm fucking retarded. Who's this? Oh, that's the Falcons. I haven't seen some of these. Okay. Elway. Dude, was that really even a Hail Mary, to be completely honest? Like, yeah, he chucked it, but I don't know if that counts as a Hail Mary, though. I don't remember this one. Why would you tip it in the air? Tip it down. Just give somebody a chance. Another Bears one? What the fuck is that? Bro, I don't count that as a Hail Mary, bro. Like, I'm not saying there's gotta be like 20 dudes around him, but goddamn, it's like, that's the whole point of the Hail Mary. Like, if you're just saying chucking it up, hopefully they catch it, if that's your version of the Hail Mary, it's whatever, like, it makes sense, but like, I don't know, I think the Hail Marys like we've been seeing in general, like these days, is a Hail Mary, but hey, they might have their own version back then. Who knows? Remember this one. See, again, you knocked it this way to even give a receiver a chance from getting it. Just catch it, bro. Just catch it. If you're to knock it fully down or catch it. Don't just tip it so it gives the fucking a chance to fucking get it,
It's all on display right here.
Well, the Cowboys made a miracle. Roger, he's going long. Down the near sideline for Drew Pearson. Pearson makes the catch at the 5, touchdown.
Dude, is that even a Hail Mary though? Hey, whatever, man. Farb. And his fucking fuckboy ears. I remember this play. Dude, God, what's his name? Dude, who's the fucker in 17, bro? God, that's gonna piss me off. I remember playing with that dude. I like to hell to play with that dude, man. God, what the fuck was his name? Is it Percy? No, it's not Percy Harvin, bro. What did I say, Percy Harvin? His the first name. That's the first person came on Patriots before Brady. Has Brady ever even completed a Hail Mary? I don't think so. If he did, it's probably in here, chances are. Another Falcon one. That's a Hail Mary.
Falcons are down there. And the ball is caught. Touchdown! Touchdown, Michael Hayes! Can you believe it? 5 seconds left. Kramer back to
Yeah, everybody in the NFC North got a fucking Hail Mary.
going deep down the right side.
I was just waiting for the Vikings. Everybody in the NFC North got at least one. That's it. I did not know that. Dude, does it... That fucker got 2? I don't even know what his name is. Bro, is that Couch, bro? No, that can't be. That's 2. That's 2, This is like... Maybe it is, but I think this is too far back. That is Couch. Damn, Couch has 2 Hail Mary catches, bro? Well, yeah. It doesn't take talent, you just chuck it up. You know, you just have to have the arm strength. And then throw it in that area, hopefully somebody catches it.
Number 15 on the year for final seconds. And Esiason looking for
Vic, is that Vic? He did play for the Jets, but I don't know that far back. I'm trying to look at some of the quarterbacks too. Jets got one. The Cowboys.
For Derek Thomas. Paul Scansi's got it. Come with a 3-man rush. Bartkowski to throw.
God damn, this is fucking old as fuck.
Down the near sideline. It's going to be a jump
This
ball.
Niners? This Atlanta.
Johnson inside the 10.
Oh, they're playing the Niners.
Touchdown. He is. Give it to him. Touchdown Atlanta. The Falcons have won it. They pulled it from nowhere.
Dude, Atlanta has some... here we go. This is one of my all-time favorite Hail Marys that I watched. Because I'm not even counting just this one. I'm counting the throw he did before this. Like, he started, like, way back in the end zone. Fucking chuck that shit. Fucking catch. You know, roll down. Come back out. And then did this play. It's not just the Hail Mary that I like this one the most. It's for the 2 plays that got him to here. Or the play that got him to this moment. And then he did this moment. Oh my god. I remember... I want to tell you something before I play this play. I remember when I first saw this, I was sitting in my living room, and I was talking to my mother on the phone. We were talking about, like, oh, yeah, I don't know if the Packers got this, you know, better luck next year. Arizona played a good fight. And then mid talking to her on the phone, I watched them fucking catch it. I'm like, oh my god, we might have a chance.
They are going to bring pressure again.
Dude, like, look at this. Falling from his back, falling back with pressure, and have to chuck that shit like that 50, like, was this 55 yards? Yeah, 55 yards. Like, it can't even be more contested than that, and somehow still got it. And it was on their best corner. Jeff Janis, bro. This play has always been like where you looked at and be like, did he actually catch it? But they call it a catch. But I like how when Jeff Janis, like after this whole thing, and he left our team, I think he went to the Browns, and now he's just straight fucking nobody.
Oh my, that may be one of the great throws ever made. Moving to his left, falling away, and launching.
Dude, how did, out of all the people that was going to catch this ball, Jeff Janis was the one that got it. Dude, Aaron's had one of like he had some great games against Arizona, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, bro. Through the years.
Takes the snap. He steps up. He's all by himself. Fires into the end zone. Caught.
Did he have both feet down?
Down. No.
Did he say no? This is divisional.
Blackwell stepping up and throwing deep down the far sideline.
I don't count this as a Hail Mary, dude. There's two fuckers there, and there's one. That's not a Hail Mary, I'm sorry. That's just like, okay, kind of like another one of those, like, throw up if he's open for the touchdown. I don't think this is a Hail Mary. If you guys think it is, hey, it's whatever, but I don't think this is a Hail Mary. Good play, but not Hail Mary in my opinion.
That is stunning.
13-7 New York. 8 seconds to go. LaMonica comes in. LaMonica's back. He looks. He's throwing deep for Wells in traffic. It's Veteran. Wells catches the ball.
One thing I gotta say is I bet everybody else feels the same way. I never understand why they put the goalpost right in front instead of right in the back that it is now today. Because you just get fucking smacked in the head by that and just get injured or some shit. Like, I don't know. I thought that was the weirdest placement of that shit.
This is ridiculous.
Three wide receivers out to the left.
Look at that Bengals dude right there. Big old dude.
Leg down. And it's caught in the end
Dude, they didn't even try.
Jerry Rice.
That's Jerry. That's Jerry Rice, we expect, but I like how those defenders didn't even give a fuck. Well, Cincinnati, what do you expect, man?
4 seconds
Speaking of Cincinnati. Damn, Dalton has 2 Hail Marys in his career?
And it is caught. Tyler Eifert. Are you kidding
And now he's on the Jags.
12 seconds left.
Yeah.
Dropping back. In the pocket. Looking. There's the Hail Mary. Headed for the end zone. And it is caught for a touchdown. Caught for a touchdown.
Where's the Giants one? I need to see the Giants one. This isn't... I'm not calling this a good fucking video if I don't see the Giants one, bro. Are these talking about the game-winning ones, or at least given a chance to, like, get points somehow? Because, like, yeah, you get points somehow, but it's, like, halftime. I gotta see the Giants one, bro. I gotta at least see the Giants one, though. The Randall Cobb one. If you're gonna... Well, the Detroit one was a game-winning. Oh, my God. I don't want to see this play again. Our defense was so butt juice at this year, bro.
The Packers playing at the goal line.
Oh my god, I don't want to see this again.
The game's final play is a Wilson loft to the end zone.
Oh no, this is, yeah, this, okay. I want to say one thing. I want to say one fucking thing, and I bet every Packer fan has said this, and I've seen some, you know, Seattle fans say too. This is not a fucking catch. This is not a fucking catch. This is a fucking interception, and they called it a touchdown. We should have won this game and moved on. Or, yeah, moved on. Whatever. Piss me off. This is a fucking interception, bro. Look at it's in his hands. It's in his hands. But they're gonna give the fucking receiver the fucking touchdown while he's wrapped around in him. Like, it's in the fucking Packers defender's hands.
One guy goes up touchdown, the other said no time.
Oh, you're gonna end with that. Bro, okay. Where the fuck is my mouse? Hey, you know, I didn't see the Giants one, but hey, it's whatever, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed.